Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about word stress, syllable stress, and intonation and English pronunciation. These elements are very important because they help us communicate more clearly and sound more natural when we speak English. The first example is about word stress. I really love learning English pronunciation. In this sentence, the word love is stressed because it expresses the main idea and emotion of the sentence. The second example is about syllable stress. My favorite subject is phonology. In this word, the syllable "no" is pronounced stronger than others. Finally, the third example is about intonation. Are you practicing your pronunciation today? In this question, my voice rises at the end because it is yes or no question. In conclusion, word stress, syllable stress, and intonation are essential part of English pronunciation. Practice these features can help English learners speak more fluently and confidently. Thanks for your watching.